We all know that South Asian cuisine offers the world some of the most loved dishes. But did you know that different countries in the region use many of the same ingredients? So here I'm talking about countries like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Maldives, and even Afghanistan. So if you want to cook like a South Asian, here's what you'll need in your pantry. First up, your aromatics. Onion, garlic, and ginger are staples in many cuisines, and they're key in South Asia too. But the one aromatic you might not know about is tamarind. A South Indian kitchen wouldn't be complete without tamarind. It's often used to add a sour and tangy flavor to curries and stews, and it's usually sold in pods or as a paste, and you can find it at most Asian stores. Next, let's talk about dry goods. Basmati rice, chapati flour, lentils and beans, and chickpea flour are just a few of the South Asian dry goods staples. Lentils and beans are available in many types, shapes, and colors. Some popular picks in South Asian pantries are masoor lentils, tur dal, chana dal, and mung beans. Now, one of my personal favorites is mung beans. They're nutty and delicious and can be used in a variety of recipes like curries, soups, and even salads. Now, I must give a shout out to chickpea flour. It's used for everything from flatbread to snacks like pakora, which are South Asian fritters, to desserts and even traditional sweets. I keep it on hand and use it as a nutritious add-in with chapati flour or to create savory Indian pancakes like chila. Next up, we have spice box essentials. Of course, there are tons of different types of spices, and I honestly can't do justice to them all, but these are a few that you'll always find in my pantry. Garam masala is a classic spice blend that's usually made with cumin, coriander, cardamom, cloves, nutmeg, and cinnamon. It adds a unique flavor to vegetarian and meat-based dishes alike and is worth the investment. Cardamom, both the green and black variety. Now, cardamoms are pricey, but a little goes a long way. Now, I use it daily in my chai, the green kind, and also use them both to create savory and sweet creations like pudding and biryani. Cumin is another essential. It's often used whole and roasted in ghee or oil before being added to a dish. Next, we have one of my favorites, coriander seeds, and also hing, Asafoetida, dried chilies or powdered chilies, and of course the herb curry leaves. Now, other favorites include fenugreek, turmeric, and mustard seeds. All are very important parts of any South Asian pantry. Ghee is a type of pure fat that is essential in authentic South Asian cuisine, and it's really in a category of its own. It's clarified butter and is used for everything from cooking to flavoring. You should keep ghee in a tightly sealed jar away from direct sunlight, which can cause a buildup of moisture inside the jar and decrease its quality. Tempering your whole spices is very important because it helps to bring out their flavor and gorgeous aroma. Just heat up a pan with some oil or ghee. Simply add your spices and temper until they start to sizzle and pop. The flavor is truly next level and the aroma in your kitchen is wow. Finally, we have sprinkles and garnishes, which are a beautiful part of South Asian cuisine. They're the last thing you add and often the first thing you taste, so quality is everything. Sprinkles and garnishes include anything from slivered ginger to tamarind chutney, nuts and seeds, spice-infused oils, even a squeeze of lemon or lime, which are also popularly used in pickle form, And I mustn't forget dried fruits, which I particularly love on or in my naan. There are so many wonderful ingredients and flavors to be found in a South Asian pantry. I hope you get a chance to explore some of them for yourself. Thanks for watching, folks. Leave me a comment and let me know what you want me to cover next. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.